Hey guys, it's me, Jolo Pineda, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing. I just got off from work. It's 4:22 ngayon Thursday, so kakalabas ko lang. Yeah, so dumating yung mga sneakers kasi during work time. Ako gusto ko talaga sanang mag-unbox. It's just that medyo dahil andun yung mga office mates ko, and then yung iba ko naman office mates gusto nilang makita kagad kung anong laman nung box. So I had to do an unboxing na hindi na ako nagsasalita. Before we actually go ahead and unbox the sneakers or show you the sneakers that I recently picked up, syempre maraming salamat for 1,000 subscribers. So we are now at 1,000 subscribers finally after a few years. I started YouTube 2015 or 2014, parang ganun. Iba-iba yung content, iba-iba yung pinag-post ko. I didn't really focus on one specific niche, although I was already into sneakers that time. Pero kasi makikita mo yung channel ko, meron mga music covers, meron ding mga merong short film. Yung iba pinag-delete ko na lang din eh, kasi merong copyright strikes yung iba eh. Ayun, all of a sudden nabaliw ako sa mga NMDs. Kahit misis ko nga galit na kapag gusto kong bumili ng NMD, tapos dahil hindi ko patanggap yung presyo na sobrang mahal nila, tig 12,000 pa sila that time. Tapos pinag-ipunan kasi nakabili ng first pair. And then gumawa ko ng una kong fake versus real comparison. I'll link it here. Link ko dito kung makita mo. Ganyan yung itsura ng pag-vlog ko. And then wala man akong camera nun, cellphone lang gamit ko. 1,000 subscribers is, for me, it's a big victory na. I'm just glad you guys love what I do, and I also love what I do. And I'm happy na you guys appreciate yung ginagawa ko. So yun, anyways, the winners, eto ang winners ng shoe cleaner and yung sneakers bro na shirt will be announced on a video next week. Ang title niya will be 1K subscriber giveaway. Maglalaki draw na ako ngayon kung sino yung mga mananalo. Pero ito yung malupit, ito yung upgrade. Dati sabi ko, we're gonna be giving away those prizes to 3 lucky winners. That's right. We're gonna be giving away a sneakers bro shirt sa 3 lucky winners na kasama ang shoe cleaner and deodorizer. So yun, hindi lang naman 3 ang mananalo. An additional 2 will win shoe cleaners na may kasamang deodorizer. Meron pa tayong last 2 na winners, at ang winners na yun makaka-receive naman ng shoe cleaners, ng shoe, the ultimate shoe cleaner na cleaner lang, hindi kasama yung deodorizer. So ulitin ko so 3 lucky winners will win a shirt and the cleaner and the deodorizer. 2 will win the cleaner and the deodorizer, and then 2 will win just the cleaners only. Ayan, so 7 lahat ang mananalo. So good luck sa lahat ng mga mapipili. And then of course, papasalamatan ko yung sponsors sa giveaway na to, si Sneakers Bro or Sneakers Bro. And at the same time, a huge shoutout din kay Shoe o kay Sir Mayas ng Shoe, the ultimate shoe cleaner, for making this raffle possible. At the same time, maraming salamat sa mga subscribers, lahat ng mga nanonood, lahat ng nagko-comment, lahat ng mga nag-first. So I totally appreciate it. So anyways, ang dami ko na sinabi, sorry. Nandito pala kayo para mag-unbox tayo ng sneaker. Alright, so mag-unbox na tayo ng sneaker. And then, syempre gagawa ko na sila ng review niyan. So unahin natin, syempre, itong Jordan 3. I cop both pairs from Mr. Kenneth Go. So sir, shoutouts, maraming salamat. Sobrang ganda ng deal. Kung makita mo man si Sir Kenneth Go na magbebenta dyan sa Adidas sa Philippines community or any sneaker groups, just know na he is a legit reseller. At ang dami niyang binebenta ngayon, kaso wala na akong pambili. This one is a Jordan 3 and hindi po siya bago. Nagamit na niya to before, and he used this once already. I was sleeping on this sneaker for the longest time, pero nung nakita ko to, pakita na natin. Alright, so what we got right here is a Jordan 3 Flyknit. Yan, Jordan 3 Flyknit. And then yun, I got it for, syempre, below retail, and it's a steal. Nakuha ko siya for a steal price kay Sir Kenneth. Syempre, di ko na sabihin kung magkano. Alright, so ayan siya. It's used once and it's still in pristine, well, sort of pristine condition yung uppers. Yung bottoms na kasi nagamit siya ng once. And yun, so I'd love to do a review on these. I haven't really tried them on. Matagal na akong abangers ng sneaker na to eh. For me kasi mukha siyang COS. Medyo ganun yung feel niya sa akin eh. Syempre, wala tayong pambili ng Jordan 4 na COS. Ang mahal eh. So ito, parang ako naisip ko, palitan mo lang yung pull tab or yung back tab na COS. Mukha na siyang COS eh. Pero I won't do that. I would, you know, keep it as it is. Okay, here's the second pair. Or second sneaker. Ayan. So pretty much good. And I'm happy copying these sneakers kahit second hand lang sila or nagamit. Alam mo naman tayo, basta kaya nating linisin and then good yung price niya, I will buy the sneaker. Ito yung mas exciting. Alright, so lagyan natin sa likod. Susunduin ko na si Mrs. Makikita na naman yung dalawang sneakers. Kakabenta ko lang. Alright, so ito naman. Yes, and then my next pickup. Nung una nakita ko to, parang nagustuhan ko siya kagad. Pero medyo tawag dito, medyo hesitant ako ng slight. Pero andun ako sa part na mas gusto ko talaga siyang bilhin na. Pero syempre I can't find them na mura anywhere. Pero ayun nga, pakita na natin. This is a Jordan 1 Turbo Green. Yes, Turbo Green, bro. Ooh. Ang ganda niya. Like on hand, kasi nung una sabi ko parang pambabae, sabi ko, pero nung on hand para lang siyang sneaker na luma pero maganda pa rin. So ayan. So this is brand new dead stock. As you can see, it's brand new and dead stock. Nike Air branding sa loob. However, this one is a size 11. Although pwede naman ako mag size 11, pero sa Jordan 1 kasi mas gusto ko yung 10.5 So I'll see if okay ang fit ito sa akin. If not, I probably sell it as well. So here's the other sneaker. Ayan, it has 2 extra laces. So lahat naman sabihin ko sa review tsaka sa on-foot review ng sneaker na to. So at the moment, ano lang tayo, unboxing lang muna tayo. I'm very excited to wear these. They're so, alam mo, sobrang fresh lang ng itsura niya. Oh, yan dito. Yan. Buksan natin ilaw. May effect ba? May ilaw. Ayan. Okay na pala may ilaw Dahil binuksan ko na. Ayan. So, ayan siya, guys. Alright. Jordan 1 Turbo Green. This one would fit just like any other Jordan 1s. Siguro, yung ano ko lang dito, kung kung paano siya ternohan o pormahan. Kasi medyo nga naman siya, medyo mahirap siyang for sure hindi ko pwedeng suotin to like on a daily basis kasi medyo mahirap nga siyang panterno. Pero alam mo yun, still it's a good cup. And again, maraming salamat kay Sir Kenneth Go for selling me these pairs for a very good deal. Baka makita ka ni Mrs. Alright, so yun. Anyways guys, again, maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe. Maraming salamat sa sumusuporta ng channel. Maraming salamat sa mga nagko-comment. Good comments man yan or bad comments man yan. Binabasa ko lahat and I still appreciate it. Sana dumami pa yung unboxing natin and the reviews natin. And syempre more raffles in the near future. So abangan nyo lang. This Saturday gagawin ko na yung video regarding kung sinong nanalo. So maraming salamat guys for clicking on this video today. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace guys.